Hi, I'm Dries, the CEO of United Silicon Carbide, and we're here in San Antonio, Texas at APEC 2018. This week here at the show, we just released our third generation 650 volt silicon carbide FET technology. These devices come in about a half a dozen varieties, both 30 milliohm and 80 milliohm, in packages ranging from D2PAC 3 lead, TO220, TO247. These parts are really unique in the industry in that a designer can simply take out a silicon superjunction FET or an IGBT and drop in our devices and get higher efficiency most of the time across their entire load range. The FETs feature a standard gate drive, a low voltage body diode with excellent QRR, and an avalanche rating, very important for robust power supply design. In this part, we've also improved the thermal performance through very advanced packaging technology. So compared to our previous version of 650 volt FETs, the current rating is increased by nearly 50%. So please come take a look at our website at www.unitedsic.com and learn more.